Is it recording? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jake and I'm actually doing something new right now. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm a founder and coach of homebasedconnect.com. I think if you're not familiar with it, I'm actually teaching people how to become a virtual assistant, how to become like a social media manager or a Facebook ads freelancer. Have an upcoming course which is on WordPress and Shopify and how to create a WordPress website or a Shopify website. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 things na kung bakit hindi ka na-hire as a freelancer. I have over 21,000 students sa Homebase Connect, and most of them really have the struggles of getting their first client. Kasi nga, the situation ngayon is very intense, medyo mahigpit yung competition, but then again, I would like to remind everybody who's watching this that it's not about the competition. Kasi nga, though dumarami yung mga freelancers natin ngayon sa Philippines, I do believe na dumarami din yung client natin internationally. Kasi nga, when the pandemic started last year, so 2020, and I do believe that clients from different parts of the world are also expanding their business online. Like they want to have their online presence as well. So that's why kung marami yung freelancers, dumarami din yung mga clients, and that's what I'd like to point out sa lahat ng mga students na wala pang clients ngayon. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 things you need to know bakit hindi ka pa na-hire. Okay? Ready? I hope you're ready. Here we go. Okay, so number 5 reason bakit hindi ka pa na-hire is that because you are not ready yet. Let's say for example, hindi lang sa sarili mo, but also with the tools na kailangan in working online. Number 1 is you have to have your internet connection. May internet connection ka na ba? Diba? Number 2, may laptop ka na ba? Number 3, may important tools ka na ba na gagamitin when it comes to working online? So, diba? That's the number 5 reason bakit hindi ka pa na-hire. Of course, wala ka pang enough ng mga tools, okay? The 4th reason why hindi ka pa nagkaroon ng first client mo is that you lack the confidence. Medyo matakot ka pa doon sa interview, sa mga job interview. Ano bang gawin? You have a lot of questions to your mind na baka hindi mo makaya, or baka yung client mo grabe maka-English tapos ikaw hindi maka-respond back. Isa sa mga reasons why hindi ka nakapa-proceed because hindi ka pa nakapunta dun sa interview level, pero inuunahan mo na yung sarili mo that you can't do it. But actually you can. All you need to do is para bang sabak talaga, prepare yourself, and then from there, you need to like take it and face your fear. Okay? I think that's number 4 reason bakit hindi ka pa na. Third reason bakit hindi ka pa na-hire is that you're not sending out a lot of job applications. Bale, isang araw lang, isang beses ka lang mag-apply. That's not how it's going to work. When I was working as parang hustle hard talaga ako na pagka-freelancer or pagka-virtual assistant, I was sending out 10 job applications per day per website. Yan talaga out of 10 doon sa isang website. May mag-reply doon na at least 1 to 3 clients. Okay, mag-reply sa job application ni send ko. That's not an assurance na ma-hire talaga nila ako. That's why I was sending a lot of job applications per day per website. I think that's the reason why hindi ka na-hire. It's because you're not doing that kind of strategy. The second reason bakit hindi ka pa na-hire is that you easily get discouraged. Okay, you easily get discouraged sa mga things na, let's say for example, yung mag-set ka ng interview, tapos nakita ng client na wala ka palang Facebook ads na experience, so hindi ka lang ma-hire, baka hindi ka nila nagustuhan, maglilito ka, kawawa naman ako kasi wala ko enough skills eh. Again guys, that's not how it's going to work. If you really want that job, if you really want to become an online freelancer, if you want to become a virtual assistant, if you want to become an email marketing support freelancer or anything you like skills, you need to invest on learning on it. Don't rely on doon sa mga courses na binibili mo because that's not enough. It's okay, again, it's okay to buy course, but if you think that the course na binili mo is kulang pa, then you need to invest in yourself para makakuha pa and enhance yung skills mo to the next level. Alright? The next, and I believe the most important reason why you are not hired right now is that because you're not praying more. As you can see, I do believe in the power of prayers. Okay, so kung hindi ka nag-pray, I think for me is medyo matagal din dumating yung pinagdadasal mo to get your first client. And yeah, again guys, if you want to get hired sa mga client mo, you need to really stick on the plan. Okay, get ready with your tools. dapat set up yung laptop mo, yung mouse, yung headset, mic, internet connection. That's really important. Dapat meron ka na yan. I-boost mo yung self-confidence mo. Huwag kang magpa-shy-shy because if you're going to stick with that kind of mindset, medyo malabo talaga ma-hire ka sa pagiging virtual assistant. Number 3 is you need to send out a lot of application letters per day. This is the only way na ma-hire ka talaga. Alright? And don't be discouraged because I do believe that the more no's that you will encounter, the closer you are to your yes. Keep the no's coming because I know at the end of the panel, you will experience your first yes. And lastly is you need to pray. And that's how it worked for me. But that's what I believe in. And that's why I've become really successful in the freelancing world. I've been a virtual assistant for 7 years already. And I also experienced na hindi na ako yung type of person na I was keep on applying for jobs because the job will pumupunta lang sa akin mismo yung mga job. So that's how easy and that's powerful it is how to, the power of prayer. And yeah, and I think that's it, guys. If you want to know how to become a virtual assistant, I have a very cheap course, right? I'm a founder of Home-Based Connect. So if you want to know more about this website, you can just check on www.homebasedconnect.com/course para malaman yung ano ba yung in-offer ko na course. Medyo cheap talaga yung course ko. The reason why gusto ko yung cheap na course is because I enrolled myself to a very cheap course lang din. It's 100 pesos na course, but right now I'm also doing the same level of parabang sending out blessings to other people. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Right guys, so see you in my next video and happy freelancing. God bless.